Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of just one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was going into the day and then where it ultimately closed, any rational person would say, yeah, this was definitely a nice move on the bull's part. But that does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at, what is that, $10.90. Why is $10.90 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $10.90. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say a pretty drastic pullback happens. Not saying this will happen. Let's just pretend price does something like this. So even after a drastic pullback like that, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that previous base of lows down around there. You picture each one of those as stair steps. And hey, the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see. A truly strong move is going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as $10.90. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward at this point. It's all about the pink line up there, which is denoting the famous 200 period simple moving average. So keep an eye on that. But all in all, in my opinion, at least breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority. Top priority for the chart right now is go through healthy consolidation and build higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now things transition to the question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.